of India has released the draft electoral rolls for 3 states and 2 union territories as part of the ongoing Special Intensive Revision or SIR aimed at updating and cleaning voter lists ahead of upcoming elections. The revision covers West Bengal, Rajasthan, Goa, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. As part of this process, hard copies of the draft rolls have been shared with recognized political parties, and the rolls have also been uploaded on the official websites of Chief Electoral Officers and District Election Officers. To ensure transparency, separate lists of deceased, shifted, absent, duplicate, and other ineligible voters have also been made public for verification. So, what do these draft electoral rolls say? Well, in West Bengal, the Special Intensive Revision has resulted in a significant cleanup of the voter list ahead of next year's assembly elections. The state had over 7.66 crore existing electors, out of which enumeration forms were collected from around 7.08 crore voters. Following the division, about 58.08 lakh names have been identified for deletion. These include more than 24 lakh deceased voters, around 32.65 lakh voters who were either shifted or absent, nearly 1.38 lakh voters enrolled at multiple locations, and others identified as fraudulent or falling under miscellaneous categories. The deletions are aimed at ensuring that only genuine and eligible voters remain on the electoral rolls. Rajasthan has also seen large-scale deletions during the revision process. Out of a total of 5.46 crore electors, enumeration forms were submitted by about 5.04 crore voters, reflecting strong public participation. Nearly 41.84 lakh names have been deleted from the draft rolls, including 8.75 lakh deceased voters, 29.6 lakh voters who had shifted or were found absent, and 3.44 lakh voters enrolled at multiple places. Jaipur recorded the highest number of deletions in the state. In addition, around 11 lakh voters will be issued notices seeking further document verification. Booth-wise lists of excluded voters will be displayed publicly, and claims or objections can be filed between December 16 and January 15. In Goa, the draft electoral rolls show that out of nearly 11.85 lakh existing electors, enumeration forms were collected from about 10.85 lakh voters. Around 1 lakh names have been deleted, mainly due to voters being deceased, shifted, absent, or enrolled at multiple locations. Similarly, Puducherry recorded over 1.03 lakh deletions from its voter list of about 10.21 lakh electors. Whereas in Lakshadweep, out of 57,813 electors, enumeration forms were collected from 56,384 voters. A total of 1429 names were deleted, including deceased voters, those who had shifted or were absent, and voters enrolled at more than one location. Meanwhile, the Election Commission has extended the deadlines for the Special Intensive Revision in several other states and union territories. Draft electoral rolls for Tamil Nadu and Gujarat will be published on December 19, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands on December 23. Uttar Pradesh has been given a further extension, with its draft rolls scheduled for publication on December 31. Overall, the Special Intensive Revision reflects the Election Commission's efforts to maintain accurate and up-to-date electoral rolls. By allowing public access, political party participation, and a window for claims and objections, the exercise seeks to strengthen transparency and ensure free and fair elections across the country.